Hi, this is the TCL 40SE and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, hold for a while the home screen with your finger, tap the widgets icon, and after that you'll see here all of the available applications with widgets you could add. Just let's for example add the calendar widget. Just hold it for a while and drag it to the home screen. If you want to move this widget here on the home screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. To resize it, hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.